fucking clipper. Yo, hey, what's on YouTube? This is Edo Unboxing Official. Welcome to another episode, man. Today's episode, I'm gonna unbox this hair clipper. I didn't buy it with a box because I didn't really know how it's gonna be. So, this clipper comes with okay, it looks like a JRL guards. Somehow. Like a JRL guards. Okay. And USB Type-C charging. What else? Little brush. And what else? Now the clip. No. Oil. Okay. Now the clipper. So first of all, let's take this away. So this is the clipper. Comes with a fade blade. It looks like a ladybug or something like that, you know. See that? I don't know. Somehow got clicky lever. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 clicking lever. Okay. Got a hook. No certification, but got these grooves here. And somehow it feels good on the hand. Really. And got a golden color at the top here. And now, sun check. And also got a LCD display. It is quiet. Comes with a ceramic blade. Yeah, ceramic cutter blade. Again, very quiet. Okay, the RPM, let's see. Very, very good RPM. Whoa, that's good. Very strong too. And the good part, you see that? It's a snap out blade. See that? And without the blade, let's check the RPM also. 8,000 RPM. This is a good motor. Really a good motor. And the lever, see that? It's a metal somehow. It's really good. And the clicking lever, something that is clicking is inside this lever. See that? This is really good. I really like this clipper. And at the same time, I hate this clipper. You see the USB Type-C charging? So this is how it this. The bracket is also here. Finished. Very good RPM. Why I said I don't like this clipper is because of this. Check the range of this blade. You see? And this is the last one. See that? The range is not normal. So it doesn't really move. It's a clipper, which is not good, which is very, very bad clipper. The first one. See the range? This is the range of this clipper. This is the main problem with these Chinese companies. They will make everything good. They are always in a rush to get money, but they don't care if maybe people might buy it or not. This is a very, very good clipper. And now the range is up. See that? Normally I got this clip a long time ago. I didn't want to unbox it or something like that, but I don't know.